Good morning, dear children. Today, let's see how to divide the following using repeated subtraction method. See the first one, 8 divided by 4 equal to, so we have to find out what will come 8 divided by 4. So for this you have to use repeated subtraction method. What is repeated subtraction method? Repeated subtraction means subtract again and again till you get 0. So what you should do? To find out division by using repeated subtraction method, you have to you have to subtract the same number again and again till you get 0. Now look at the first one. 8 divided by 4. So you have to subtract 4 from 8 till you get 0. So write 8 here minus 4. So 8 minus 4. Say 8 in your mind. Take 4 fingers before 8. 7, 6, 5, 4. So answer is 4. So you take this 4 here. Now say 4 in the mind. Take 4 fingers before 4. 3, 2, 1, 0. So you got 0 as your answer. So how many times you subtracted now? 1 time, 2 time. So the answer is 2. Now see the next one. 6 divided by 3 equal to. So you have to subtract 3 again and again from 6. Let's divide 6 minus 3. So say 3, take 6 in your mind. Take 3 fingers before 6. 5, 4, 3. So you got 3. Now you take this 3 here. And again minus 3. We know a number subtracted by the same number gives the answer 0. So 3 minus 3 equal to 0. Now count how many times we subtracted this. 1, 2. We subtracted this 2 times. So the answer is 2. Now look at the next one. 14 divided by 7. So you have to subtract 7 from 14 till you get 0. Let's subtract 14 minus 7. Now say 14 in the mind. Take 7 fingers before 14. 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. So you got 7. Again you take the 7 here. 7 minus 7, 0. How many times you subtracted this? 1 time, 2 time. So the answer is 2. Now look at the next one. 15. Now look at the next one. 15 divided by 3. So you have to subtract 3 from 15 till you get 0. Let's do this. 15 minus 3. Now say 15 in the mind. Take 3 fingers before 15. 14, 13, 12. You got 12 here. So again you have to subtract 3 from 12. Take 12 in the mind and take 3 fingers before 12, 11, 10, 9. Again you have to subtract 3 from 9. 9 in the mind. Take 3 fingers before 9, 8, 7, 6. You got 6. Again you subtract 3 from 6. 6 in the mind. Take 3 fingers before 6. 5, 4, 3. You got 3. 3 minus 3, 0. Now count how many times you subtracted this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you subtracted this 5 times. So the answer is 5. Now look at the next one. 16 divided by 2. Now we have to subtract 2 from 16 till you get 0. Let's do this. 16 minus 2. Now say 16 in the mind. Take 2 fingers before 16. 15, 14. You got 15. Again 14 minus, you got 14. 14 minus 2. Take 14 in the mind. Take 2 fingers before 14. 12, 13, 12. Again you subtract 2 from 12. Take 12 in the mind. Take 2 fingers before 12, 11, 10. Now again subtract 2 from 10. 10 in the mind. Take 2 fingers before 10, 9, 8. Again subtract 2 from 8. 8 in the mind. Take 2 fingers before 8, 7, 6. Now again subtract 2 from 6. 6 in the mind. Take 2 fingers before 6, 5, 4. Again subtract 2 from 4. 4 in the mind. Take 2 fingers before 4, 3, 2. So here we got 2. Again subtract 2 from 2. As we know, 2 minus 2 equal to 0. We put 0 here. So how many times we subtracted this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We subtracted this 8 times to get 0. So the answer is 8. This is homework for you. Do this in your classwork. So from A, B, C, D and E. These 5 are homework for you. Do this at your home. And if you have doubt, kindly message me. Thank you children. Have a good day.